feet.
Yeah, we don't have any tubes.
So you're tubeless.
Tubeless.
Sarah likes the boat.
Sarah, do you like blue boats?
She likes red boats, green boats, yellow boats, white boats.
Your grandma picked out this boat. She wanted a blue one.
Oh, she picked the color.
Yep. I said, what do you have in mind for a boat? What would you like to get? Oh, a blue one. No, she really didn't. She really didn't say it had to be blue. But when we looked at boats, she liked this one. We already decided what type of a boat and how big and how we wanted it equipped ahead of time. And we can put the bimini up too if you want to avoid some sun later.
We're all sunscreened up right now, but it might be worth a try.
Yeah.
So, who was your friend you just dropped off?
Doug Albright.
I didn't even recognize him. I just saw him 2 weeks ago, too.
Yeah. Where did you see him?
Oh, I picked up some worms. I guess it's been a couple months.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, Sarah's cool.
Hi.
You are way cool, Sarah.
She got nervous. Yeah, we're gonna go on a boat. She thought that meant you had to get off when you come up to the boat dock. Nah. Yeah, that was her helper's car right there the whole time, so that would have been the perfect spot.
Yeah. Who is your helper?
It's Heidi. I can't think of her last name right off.
Heidi Ho?
Yeah, it's Heidi Ho.
Heidi Bloom?
I'm sure she likes Heidi Ho the best.
Yep, yep. See all those grab wires up ahead of us?
They switched them. They used to be barrels.
Yeah. Well, they never used to have grab wires, just the barrels at one time.
Yeah.
These function a lot better. And they probably require a lot less maintenance, if any. Right here. No, 23 feet. Misread it. Oh, the breeze feels nice. Doesn't it?
Oh, it feels good. Yeah, I was kind of warm this morning. I was trying to move an oven around.
Oh,
I
yeah.
was just dripping with sweat. It's like I'm not exerting that much energy to be this
Did
sweaty.
you have to do anything additional with the oven? We're in Agata de Vida.
Oh,
Boat. That's right, Sarah.
I think.